I have eaten my breakfast. I have drunk some water. I have learned a lot today. I have washed the dishes. I have taken a shower. I have gone to the store. I have felt tired today. I have brushed my teeth. I have finished my homework. I have cleaned my room. I have made my bed. I have cooked lunch. I have helped my mother. I have talked to my friend. I have read a book. I have written my notes. I have checked my messages. I have used my phone. I have opened the window. I have closed the door. I have watered the plants. I have fed the cat. I have watched a movie. I have listened to music. I have practiced English. I have learned new words. I have completed my work. I have sent an email. I have taken a break. I have rested a little. I have gone outside. I have come back home. I have bought groceries. I have paid the bill. I have arranged the table. I have washed my hands. I have changed my clothes. I have folded the laundry. I have ironed my shirt. I have packed my bag. I have prepared my lunch. I have drunk some tea. I have eaten some fruit. I have cleaned the kitchen. I have swept the floor. I have mopped the room. I have opened my laptop. I have turned on the light. I have turned off the fan. I have charged my phone. I have checked the time. I have waited patiently. I have answered the question. I have solved the problem. I have helped my sister. I have played with friends. I have exercised today. I have gone for a walk. I have taken pictures. I have shared my food. I have smiled a lot. I have enjoyed my day.